guys, welcome back. I am Anika from Anika's DIY Life, and this is my DIY entryway bench with storage. And I'm going to show you how to build it. But first, I want to thank Rockler for sponsoring this project. I am using their lid support torsion hinges, which make this bench not just functional, but also safe. But we'll talk about that in just a little bit. But first, let's talk about this bench. It has this big, huge storage compartment where you can store your shoes or jackets, and it also has this drawer where you can stash your keys or other small items. And I promise you, it is super easy to build. And you can download the printable plans to build this bench by clicking on the link in the description below. So let's get started. This bench is almost completely built using one sheet of plywood. I started by cutting down the plywood to size using my circular saw. Once again, you can find the cut list in the plans linked below. For the feet, I traced them out on a smaller piece of plywood and cut them out using my jigsaw. You need 8 of these feet. Then I made all my pocket holes. The plans tell you exactly where the pocket holes need to be. To put it together, I attached 3 sides first using wood glue and pocket holes. Then I turned it over and attached the feet using pocket holes and wood glue. Now, I went ahead and attached the remaining side to the bench using pocket hole screws. This is the taller side. Then, I attached the panel that separates the drawer from the lid. For this, I used wood glue and finished nails. Next, I attached the side panel for the drawer using pocket hole screws. Once that was in, I added the top of the drawers once again using wood glue and finished nails. Now for the lid. I used Rockler's torsion hinge jigget, which makes it super quick to drill holes without having to measure. You can choose between overlay or flush mount, and I went with flush mounted configuration. Once the pilot holes were in, adding the hinges was very quick and easy. Next, I built and installed the drawer. I covered up all the raw plywood edges with edge banding, filled all the holes with wood putty, and stained the bench, and that's it. Now I have a great storage solution for the entryway. Plus, the lid stay torsion hinges support the lid at any angle, making the lid extremely safe to use. Thank you so much for watching this easy and fun DIY project. Before you leave, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other fun projects I have planned. Also, make sure you hit the like button so I know you want to see more videos. Thank you again for watching, and